Today we're making beef shots. This is beef bacon wrapped around beef kielbasa and a bunch of creamy good stuff. Let's talk about it. First, we're going to start with room temperature cream cheese. I'm using some gouda, some sour cream, scallions. You can use any kind of cheese combo you want. Worcestershire, Dijon, and then we're going to go ahead and stir that up. I like to add quite a bit of fresh ground black pepper. This is a really savory filling that's going to go inside these beef shots. And then yes, beef bacon. It is a thing. I like to purchase mine online. There's a few places that do sell it. And then of course we need beef kielbasa. What you'll want to do first is get the kielbasa and slice it into coins. We want it to be about a third to half the thickness of the beef bacon because we're going to be wrapping that bacon around here. Let me show you how you do it. Cut one slice of beef bacon in half, wrap it around the kielbasa, and then you're going to just secure it with the toothpick. Rinse and repeat for all of them. And then what you'll notice is that not all of them are going to be quite as even. So what's interesting about a lot of beef bacon that you purchase is that it's uncured, meaning it's not going to be near as firm. Just go with it. It's going to taste great. The appearances might be a little inconsistent, but that's part of barbecue. I like to shove a little jalapeno on the inside for a nice surprise bite. These do mellow out a little bit. And then, of course, we're just going to pipe in that creamy, cheesy filling into each one. Fill it up just to the top. The cream cheese will expand a little bit, but not enough to where it will spill out. The beef bacon will hold it in place. It's not just going to ooze out everywhere. Let's get that on the smoker. I do like to use a tray because of all the grease that the bacon's going to render out. It just makes for easy cleanup and transfer in and out. We're cooking these at 300 degrees for an hour. And if the bacon tends to crisp up a little sooner or later, just go with it. Cook it until it's crispy enough for you. Like I said, it's an hour for me. And when you pull these off, do be careful. The inside of the cheese is basically molten lava. So bite at your own risk. I definitely recommend letting these cool down for a bit. But the full recipe is linked in the description and in the comments. Cheers.